Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you my best utility knife. So I bought this at Walmart. I wasn't sure about it. I was like, I just need another utility knife. I bought it. I absolutely love it. So it retails for about $10. It's called the HART 2-in-1 Safety Utility Knife. Now let me show you the number one reason why I like it. This thumb control. I've never had a utility knife that's had thumb control. So it fits in your hand. Normally you've got this up here. This is spring loaded. I find that I don't use this anymore. I find that I use this thumb control. I absolutely love that thumb control. I've just never had a utility knife like that. This one, you know, again, I haven't used it since I've got it. I've only used, so you're just like going and like grab it. Now the knife does stay locked out when you use the thumb side, just not when you use that side. Now it does store blades in here. So let's go over, this can be a little tricky. That pops up. Now what I found to be tricky is just getting the blades in and out. You got to kind of lift them up past that little catch there. There's the blades. You're going to separate them. They are held together. They got a little bit of oil on them. Okay, so to put the extra blades back in, you're going to slide it in like this, and that little thing's going to catch it. Then push that down. Now to change the blade, I found, put it all the way in the out position. You're going to push this button here. That's going to release the knife, okay? Now you always can just flip these around. Again, all the way out, push the button as you're putting the knife in. It can be a little tricky. Be careful, they're very sharp. Just want to get it in. You want that triangle to be flush. That means it's locked in. If it's kind of out a little bit, that means it's not in and locked all the way. So put it in, it should be right there. You can kind of give it a little bit of a tug. Now practice going in and out. When you push this all the way in, make sure the blade is not sticking out a little bit. That means it's not in all the way. And again, when it's all the way locked, you can put a piece of rope right there and it will cut the piece of rope. I like that this is grippy right here. It feels really nice. It's like the nice, it just feels really good in your hand as far as when you need to cut a cardboard box. So it's about 7 inches. You know, you're about an inch that way, about 1.5 inches. Okay, so let's see it again. I'm going to use the side control. I just push it out. It does have different detents that lock it into place. So it looks like you got one there and out. So again, it's just very sharp. It stays locked. Now, if I use this one, that's like a safety knife. I have to hold it out as it will not stay out. There's like a little grip there. I'm not sure what that grip's for, but I only use this now. I've never had a utility knife where it has the thumb control. And I find that I really do like that. I've had a lot of utility knives. If you see my YouTube channel, you'll see I've reviewed a lot of utility knives. DeWalt makes some really nice ones, Milwaukee, but I just saw this at Walmart. I usually get the Walmart ones because I just want to try them out and show people how to change the blade. Sometimes they can be a little tricky, but this is my all-time favorite utility knife right now because of the thumb control. So if you could, underneath the video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If there is something else you would like to see me review, leave it in the comments down below. If you're having trouble changing the blade in a certain utility knife, leave them in the comments. I'll see if I can get it and show you. Thanks everybody for your support. And again, if you could, please like and subscribe.